Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing good today. I'm going to be making a cake. We're getting ready to go camping. So I'm going to make a cake to take with us, and I'm going to be using an ordinary white box cake. And this is going to be a caramel poke cake. It's going to be so good. So I just want to add my cake mix to my bowl. And then to my bowl, I want to add, I've got a half a cup of oil. Okay, instead of water, I'm going to be using milk, and I'm using 1 1/4 cups of milk. Start mixing it up. I like to mix it up a little bit before I put the eggs in it. It helps get all the lumps out of it if you're not using a mixer. And you don't want to overbeat your cake mixes. That kind of makes them tough, so you just want to just kind of bring everything together. Okay, and then you want to add your 3 eggs. After it gets to the consistency that you like, all the lumps are out. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to a spatula. Scrape the bowl to make sure everything is mixed up well. Okay, and then I've got my 9 by 13 cake pan. And I just want to spray it with some butter spray. Just want to spread it out real good. Okay, now the package direction says for 13 by 9 to let it bake for 34 minutes. I'm gonna set my timer for 30 minutes and then check it, because sometimes my oven cooks faster than other ovens. So I'll bring you back. Okay, now to make the caramel, I'm going to use about a half a bag of these caramel bits. Just pour that in the pan. This is going to be the caramel sauce. Okay, then a third of a cup of milk. Then you just want to bring this together and let it melt. You can also do this in the microwave. It'll be a little quicker. I was just going to do it on top of the stove. Okay, see how it's starting to get hot? Now the caramel is going to start melting. You just want to stir it till it gets smooth. It's almost melted. Okay, you just want to turn the heat off. And then to this, you want to add some vanilla. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla. I love vanilla. Just add about a tablespoon. Okay, my cake is finished. It did not take 30 minutes to bake. It only took 24 minutes to bake. And it springs back. So now what you want to do, you want to take a wooden spoon or some kind of end with a bigger end and just start poking holes in your cake while it's still hot. This will make it where you can put the sweetened condensed milk and the caramel down the holes. And it'll soak it all up. Make it so moist. Okay, now I've got a can of sweetened condensed milk. This stuff is amazing. Oh my goodness. And you just want to pour it over top and let it get in the hose. Try to get it in the hose. I could eat this stuff by itself. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Yummy, yummy. And then I just want to take my spoon and kind of spread it out. Let all that soak in. Okay, now it's time for the caramel. Got the caramel sauce already. See it? And you just want to take it and kind of put it in the hose. It's gonna be so good. Great for fall. I love caramel at fall time. Caramel apples. Oh yeah. Yummy. You want to reserve a little bit of the caramel sauce to drizzle over top of the whipped topping when you after it cools in the refrigerator like overnight. You can top it with whipped topping and then drizzle caramel on top of it. Make it pretty. Just take your spoon and kind of just spread it out. Okay, now you just want to let this cool at room temperature and then stick it in the fridge overnight. And then tomorrow I'll show you what to do. I'll bring you back. Thank you all. Have a great day. Okay, it's the next day and this is the cake I made yesterday. Now we're gonna top it. Okay, you wanna use a tub of whipped topping, frozen whipped topping. You can make your own too if you would like. This is just a quicker version. Homemade would be so much better. You just want to spread it out. make little decorations if you like. Okay, now we want to drizzle caramel. This was our leftover caramel we had yesterday. Just want to just drizzle all over, make it pretty. That looks so good. Okay, I think it needs something else, so I'm gonna see what I can find to put on top. Okay, I found some Butterfingers. I'm going to, my husband loves Butterfingers, so I'm just gonna open some of these up and put them in this Ziploc bag to break them up. I think that'll be a good addition on top of the cake. Let's see how many. Let's do 4 at first, see how far that goes. Then you just want to take them and use something hard like this. This is hard, and just break them up, hit them. You let any frustration out you have, which I don't have any, but if you do, there you go. And you just want to sprinkle on top. Ooh, that looks good. That looks yummy, yummy. Ooh, that looks so good. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. I know this is to take camping, but I'm gonna try a piece. Let's see. Where do I want? I want just a little piece. Let's see what it tastes like. Ooh, it looks good. Look at that. Can you see the caramel down in it? That looks delicious. We'll have to give it a try. I'm gonna give this cake a try. It looks so good. Look at it. Looks yummy. Give it a try. It's best to let it set out about 5 or 10 minutes after you get it out of the refrigerator before you serve it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh, it's so moist. Yeah, I love the Butterfingers on top. I'm glad I decided to do that. Yeah, that's really good. Hope all of you all have a great day, and thank you so much for coming and joining me in my kitchen today. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye. How is it?
I haven't thought of Charlie Brown in a long time.
That's good.
Is it
I like Butterfinger. That's good.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, Butterfingers is good. Ain't it?